India. India is filled with colors, patriotism, festivals, traditions, beliefs. India is a perfect example for harmony. And that is why, for Indians, India is not just a country, it's a feeling. Let us look at some of the amazing facts about my India, Bharat, Mera Hindustan. India has second largest population in the world, and we live in seventh largest country on earth. India had most ancient civilization. We have rich cultural heritage. More than 1,000 of languages are spoken all over India. Hinduism is the world's oldest and most popular Indian religion. Other religions, being Islam, Christianity, are also prominent here. Besides Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Jainism were also developed in India. We are a land of many firsts, like chess, snake and ladders, shampoos, etc. We are culturally rich, having influenced art, literature, science, and yoga. India has many breathtaking hill stations, amazing deserts, awesome beaches, temples. We have ancient and colossal structures which will leave anyone spellbound. There are a number of hidden and secret palaces to be explored. India has an extravagant history of kings and queens. The length of wires that hold marvelous Bandra Worli ceiling of Mumbai is equal to the Earth's circumference. Oh! India has the highest post office in the world, situated in Himachal Pradesh, and also it has world's only floating post office in Kashmir. India has home for world's biggest family with 181 family members. Wow! We are ardent believers in God. Shani Shinganapur is a perfect example for that. You will not find any door on their houses as they believe that Shani will protect them. Kumbh Mela, that happens once in 12 years, gathers 75 million devotees to the banks of holy Ganga. The gathering is so gigantic that it can be seen from the space. India has a polling station for just one voter in Gir forest. This shows the power of democracy. 70% of world's spices come from India. India is world's largest producer of milk. We have largest number of vegetarians in the world. Indian food is famous all around the world. Let it be samosas, jalebis, dosas or idlis. Which part of India would you like to explore? Welcome to India.